Our first stop is the passive profit odyssey. Imagine a world where your computer works as your personal cash machine, generating income while you sleep. That's the beauty of passive income streams like affiliate marketing and investing. Passive income, my friends, is the key that unlocks the doors to a kingdom where wealth flows freely. Now take a moment to ponder. Which passive income method do you think suits your lifestyle best? Share your predictions in the comments below. Our next destination is the freelance wonderland. Here, your unique skills can be your golden ticket to financial freedom. Whether you're a writer, a graphic designer, a programmer, or a jack of all trades, there's a place for you in the vast gig economy. So, freelancers out there, what are your top tips for landing gigs? Share your wisdom in the comments. Next, we're about to witness the magic of social media alchemy. Yes, you heard it right. Your social media presence can be a goldmine. Successful influencers and creators have mastered this art, and today we're going to dissect their strategies. Now, tell us, which social media platform do you think holds the biggest treasure trove of opportunities? And finally, we're diving into the digital business bonanza, e-commerce, app development, virtual real estate. The opportunities are endless in the digital business world, so entrepreneurs, which digital business excites you the most? Share your thoughts and let's spark some inspiration. What a journey it has been. If you're as thrilled as we are about the potential of the digital world and you're ready to join the digital revolution, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. We're here to guide you on this digital odyssey, ensuring you never miss out on the latest money-making strategies. Welcome to the League of Digital Mavericks. Join our community and together, we'll redefine success in the digital era.